Hello guys, this is for those of us who said they find it difficult to get MT5 or they don't even know what I'm talking about as a beginner. Okay, this is what you're going to do without wasting any time. What you will do now is you open your system or phone, then you will go for Play Store. Go to your Play Store. If you are using iPhone, that will be, of course, Apple Store. So you go to your Play Store, you go to where you have your search right here, you click it, then you write Metatrader. If you are using Metatrader 4, you put 4, then press search. If it is 5 as per this video, 5, then there you go. Then you wait a bit. Once you see the Metatrader 5, the next thing you're going to do is to download. So it's pretty simple, right? So you have your download. After you've downloaded, you will sign up like the normal way we sign up for new accounts on Gmail or Facebook or any other platform that we are signing up from. Okay, so you register. Now, if you are doing it for the first time, you're going to have install. You're going to have install like this one. But if you are not doing it for the first time, you're going to be having open like this one. So since I've downloaded it already and it's on my phone, I'm going for open. I'm going to teach you quickly how to also make account in this same video, so stick with me. So after that, you're going to, it will bring you some interface if it is new. So just follow the interface, pretty simple. So you just sign up for a demo account. That's what I want to show you now. Let's say you want to go for demo account. Okay, so you click on this plus sign. Then there are many brokers. Okay, brokers are the agency between the market, which is an international market, and we who are the traders or the investors, as you may be. Okay, because we don't have enough capacity to really move the market. We don't even move the market. We don't have such a capacity to move the market. Okay, so the brokers, give you access into that, all right, with their own resources. So that's a quick understanding about that. So some brokers collect commission, some collect swapping fee, some collect they have different ways of taxing. But whichever way they are doing, please make sure you read the rules and the regulation of your broker very well and ask your mentor to recommend a very good one for you. Okay, don't just see a broker and go in there and start, or else will become a story you are learning from. So I hope a word is enough for the wise. So we have Metatrader. The one we're going to use is MetaQuote or Metatrader, anyone, the same company. So we're going to go for demo account. So you click demo account. You can see the first time you're going to write your first name, your second name, just the way we normally sign up. All right, I don't want us to waste time on that. So now for this place, account type, you are going to put in Forex Edge USD. Okay, if you use euro, you're going to be having your account traded in euro. The leverage, we have different leverages, as you can see, but the one I will tell you to do is you can have 1:100, which means, please listen attentively to this side, which means that for every $1, okay, or one lot size you are entering, they are supporting you with $100. So if you're losing, you'll be losing in $100 rate. If you are gaining, you'll be gaining $100 rate. So if you go for 500, 200, the same thing applicable. Okay, so having understood that, let's move ahead. Okay, so let's see the deposit. Make sure it is very low if you're starting. Okay, don't go for big accounts so that you'll not be like, oh, there's money and you start. There's what we call risk management. Okay, So in order to help you, I'm giving you advice to go for the minimum like 3,000, 5,000, or 10,000, okay? Go for it. But there's no law that said it's a must. All right, I'm just giving you as an experienced person. So let's go for the 10,000, okay? So from there, you now put accept. If you don't click accept, it won't go. So then you register. So just like that, you have the account. So you click done. Now the account will be given to you. Okay, so once the account is given to you, so you are through. You have the demo account now. You have your backtesting tool. Okay, now one thing I want to tell you is this: you are going to be doing analysis, trade technical analysis. You're going to be analyzing your market. I will show you very soon what I mean. Now, if you're analyzing, please make sure you have two devices. One for entering trade, the other one for analyzing. Okay, but if you can still cope with it, that the device you're using for analyzing, the one you're using for entry, is not advisable. But I'm not saying it's not possible, that people cannot do it, but it's not advisable, just for your work to be neat. You understand? So, okay, having said that, let's go on. You have quotes, charts, trade. If you look downside, you see what I'm talking about. Trade, you have quotes. Quotes are the instruments, financial instrument that you are trading. Now, this is many instruments right there. You can add more. Okay, we have forex, index, meta, nasdaq. Depending on the broker, there's a lot of instruments. Okay, so you can see forex is a very wild and very huge market. So now we can actually select the one we want and the one we don't want. If I don't want any of this, I'm just going to click on this delete or this dustbin, cover dustbin icon. So, and I will select, I just tap, and if it is everything, I'll tap except the one that is already activated, then I will delete it. And if I want to add it back, I add. Let me add a base. Let's say GBP USD. You can see it's up here. You click it. Okay, it's already there. By the time you go back, it's there. Can you see? It's there. So that is how to do it. If you want to do gold is actually XAUUSD for those of us who love or who will love to trade gold. You can see it's there also. And if I want to remove any of the instrument again, the same thing. I just press this and click it, then I will remove it. I hope I'm giving us interface into MT5. Now, the next thing you want to do now is to click your instrument. Make sure the instrument you want is the one you are clicking on. Okay. Now, we have different time frame. But if you are using Android, you just have to tap the surface of the chart and you will see the time frame ranging from month to week to daily to H4 to 1 hour, 30 minutes, 15 minutes, 5 minutes, and 1 minute. Okay, another thing you can also do with this is this: you can have multi-window. You can see beside the time frame there's multi-window, so you can work within the multi-windows. You can have look at this, you have daily somewhere. How do I know? You can this Euro USD instrument daily time frame is up here. Okay, and I can change it to 4 hour. While here I can have 1 hour, I can have 5 minutes. Okay, depending on the way we trade. Okay, so having said that, I hope we've gotten that one also. So, and now if you want to enter trade, let's say you've analyzed, just for the sake of what we're doing now, just say, let's believe you've analyzed the trade and you've decided to, I'm coming, let's say you decided to sell or to buy, either one you picked. Let me see something. Okay, now let's say you decided to, let's say you decided to buy. Now this is the lot size I'm talking about. If you click this one, you have your lot size ranging from 0.01, there's no less to that. Then you can add up 0.01. You can type it, you can select it. It's very good. You can select it. We have 0.01. We have quite a lot, guys. We have 0, even up to 0.1. We have to 1. We have to 10. depending on how big your account can accommodate on the lot size. Now, be careful on the risk and reward, because the higher your lot size, the higher the profit and the higher the loss. Okay, there is a way we calculate our loss and profit. We're going to be doing that. I will drop the video separate, okay, so that we'll not be merging things up here. So how to calculate loss size, but already there are tools that are already doing that. Even if you're having MT5, there are tools on MT5 that can help you do that. For example, if you come up here, go to the upside of your screen, you can see something here. If you click it, watch, it will bring up your order. We have different type of order will come in there too. This one is pending order. Okay, if I put this one now and I select this SL, it means stop loss. Now, we're not talking about function for now. I'm still showing you around the interface. I hope you're grabbing. Now, if you're doing this, you can see, if you look at it clearly, let me remove a window so that we can, good. At the lot size, we can see, I think we have 8. Okay, we have 12 now. Can you see? 11. So if I put it here, we have 10.60. If I put it here, you can see 11.4 US dollar. That means I'm risking on this particular trade, I'm risking 11 and I'm buying from this place. This is pending order. Okay, now if I click it again, not removing it though, if I click it again, okay, let's do it again. We have SL is taken there. TP is where you want your market to stop execution. Okay, maybe you've taken profit, where you want your profit to reach. All right, so now I'm risking $10 and I'm expecting to make a profit of what? Can you see it up here? Let me drag. You can have 12. Can you see 12 changing TP? TP is take profit. So that is it, $15.6 dollar. So that means $15.06. So if the market reach there, it will trigger my profit. Okay, and I'll be making profit. So it's either whenever you execute your trade, it's either it go for your SL or go for your TP. All right, it's that simple. So that is that about that. Okay, what else do I want to show us? I've told us the interface. Now in our course, we are going to be dealing with monthly time frame, weekly time frame, daily time frame. In short, let's just say all the time frame. But the ones we are going to be really working on is going to be the weekly, the daily, the 4-hour, the 1 hour, and the 30 minutes. So that is it. You don't want to go lower based on a strategy. You don't want to go. You don't need to go lower than that. Okay. So type of trading stuff that we have, let me show us. We have the instant form of trading. Coming. Yeah, for the first time you are clicking, you have to do this. You have to just agree with them. Okay, now if I click sell now, the thing will sell. And now if the market is selling at this point in time, definitely I'm going to be making profit. But if it is buying, then it is loss. Always use your stop loss. I think I've told us what stop loss is. Always use your stop loss, guys. Always use your stop loss. Even if you are executing trade immediately or you are using pending, always use your stop loss. Okay, so what is it I want to show you? You can change it here. I've done that already, so you can change it from here. Let's go for 4-hour. Okay, you can see. So let's go for 1 hour. See that? 13 minutes. So that's how we do it. Okay, with that, I think I have to see you in the next class. So by now you've gotten your MT4 and I think I've shown you around. Yes, there is what we call indicator. Wonderful. Yeah, that's good. Indicator. If you see this indicator, but I'm not encouraging us to use indicator. Some people are good at using indicator. It's not bad, but it all depends on your own preference and your strategy, the way you trade the market. Okay, so there are many indicators right here. So we have the Bollinger Band. We have so many indicators. Okay, so that is that. I'll see you in the class this evening 6 p.m. So peace out.